it's Megan with WTI, and it is very important to me to take really good care of my clothes. This Gleener fabric brush is a great way for me to do that and to keep my clothes looking like new. I personally prefer to buy clothing and sweaters that are made of natural fibers, and the fact about natural fibers is that they tend to pill more than artificial ones. This Gleener brush comes with a few different heads depending on the delicacy and the size of the pills on my fabrics. I know that there are many electric fabric shavers on the market that may be quicker than this Gleener brush, but for me, I really trust using this brush more. Because I'm paying more for clothes that are made of natural fibers, I do not want to take the risk of cutting a hole in it. Even though using this Gleener brush may take me more time, I really appreciate the extra control that it gives me. It is really effective at removing that extra fuzz and pills from my sweaters, and when I'm finished using it, they look like new again. Of course, besides the great fabric grooming heads, it also has a regular lint brush on the other end. If you're someone like me who wears a lot of black, you know that every little bit of lint shows on it, so this lint brush is great for me to have. If you want to stay looking chic and keep your clothes looking new and fresh, I definitely recommend this Gleener brush. And that's my point of view.